Have you ever hurt yourself foam rolling? Well, this video is actually on how to keep better posture when foam rolling to decrease nerve tension, which is actually a lot of the times the reason for tight muscles in the first place. Okay, so Russ, take a. I don't know if you can take a video of this. Okay.
Trying to get the elongated part of it?
Yeah, I want this. Well, pause for a second. Okay, so here's the thing we have with foam rolling. I wanted to do this video today is that look at this posture when she's foam rolling. I just kind of let her do what she wanted to do. Okay, there's a lot of rounding here. There's rib flare. There's changes of torso position. Okay, so he'll stop for 1 sec. Can you get taller for me? I know this is not comfortable on that foam roller, but try to roll like that. Okay, and we're going to keep this up. So consider this almost like your side bridge. Okay, so you got to keep the spine long and big, and I know you're helping there. But when you roll on stuff, you want to make sure the posture is good. Okay, so go and roll on your, do like a hamstring roll. Okay. And I bet we're going to see some of the similar stuff. So you're already rounded. Some. Okay, pause 1 second. So then this would be.
Oh, more like.
Yeah. So this would be better.
Okay.
Okay. Because the funny thing is, people they roll their hamstring, and this actually just tightens their hamstring because it's the nerve tension.
Got it.
Okay. So when you foam roll, make sure you have good posture.
Okay.
Okay.